let's look at how English sentences work. So we use sentences to communicate, share our ideas, communicate, each with different structures and rules. So some common ways of communicating: to make a statement, most common. I will be writing. I am teaching. I'm here. I want that. I'm talking. I'm listening. I'm listening. I'm reading. He is listening. You are learning. To ask a question. What are you doing? What is that? Why is this? What was that? Did you hear that? Ask a question. So I will be writing, statement. What will you be writing? Question. What will you be writing? What are you reading? I am reading Ayn Rand's The Fountainhead. I'm then going to read a book on science. So I am reading a book. I'm reading a book by Ayn Rand, The Fountainhead. What will you be reading? What are you reading? Give an order or make a request. Tell someone to do something. You must. Go there, go here, or come here, go there. Don't do that, stop there, wait here. Don't write so slow. Don't write so slow. Don't talk so fast. Don't be so slow. Make an exclamation to share your emotions. So exclamation. Slow down. Slow down. Speed up. Come here. Why? Exclamation. Shouting, essentially. Shouting. And questions. Question. Give an order. Don't write so slow. Don't go so fast. Don't go there after 9. Don't say that. Do. Could you please do this? Could you please do that? And beyond. Right? Asking a question. What is this? What is that? What? Making a statement. I will be writing. You are learning. I will be I'll be writing on the board all morning. How cool is that? So how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.